babanggain mo. Kuya, lahat babanggain? Ay! Ate, kuya. Te, parang babanggain lahat. Te, ang gulo. Ang gulo, te. Ano yan, te? Ay, ano mababangga, kuya? Ay, ano yan? Grabe ang ingay talaga dito, babe. Para, ay, ito, kuya. Grabe, oh, guys. Ang dumi talaga. Ate, naligaw na ako. Nalagpasan ko na yung gate number 5. Bait nila, guys. Namaste. Ay, thank you. Charis. Say hi. Yes, number 3. Yes. 50 rupees for the gown. You need to wear this one. And then 100 rupees for the slippers. Look. Ayan, 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 ayan. So this mosque was built in 1656 by Emperor Shah Jahan. Walang masyadong tao ngayon kaya ma-enjoy mo talaga yung presence ni Lord. Presence ni Lord. Ay, dito ako pumunta kanina, guys. Pero sabi nila, washroom daw yan. Andiyan ang mga puti. Charis. Baka sabihin nilang nihaw ako. Hello, namaste. So Monday is closed.
Yes. Man, this is the old Delhi, this is the real India. Go to Nehru Land, colorful bazaar, spice bazaar, go to Chandni.
Where?
You other side, man, this is the better food, this rickshaw.
How much?